The Customs Bureau's intensified campaign against smuggling bore fruit anew. This with the seizure of millions of pesos worth of smuggled used clothing in raids in Laguna and Parañaque. Again, here's Noel Perfecto.
The Bureau of Customs once again succeeded in a campaign against illegal importation of used clothing, what is known as ukay-ukay products. This after BOC Chief headed the seizure of 21 million pesos worth of used clothing from 3 warehouses, 2 in Laguna and 1 in Parañaque City. To assure the second-hand products will not be handed over to illegal parties, Biazon, together with DepCom Danilo Lim, said some of these products will be ruined or destroyed, and some of these will be donated to DSWD.
Ang nasa po kayo ng Bureau of Customs ay naririto upang magbantay para po sa kapakanan ng ating bayan. Ang ating pong mga operatives, no, lalo na sa intelligence group, ay very active, no, na kumikilos para mabantayan ang mga illegal na importasyon. Ganon din, tinatanggap din nila ang tulong mula sa ating mga kababayan, no, and gaya na sabi ni Deputy Commissioner Lim, no, sa mga sunod-sunod na huli, marami doon ay through the cooperation mismo ng taong bayan.
More than 2,000 bales of used clothing were seized from the warehouses at San Vicente Biñan, Laguna, Filipina compound at San Pedro, Laguna, and Woodville compound in Parañaque City. These smuggled goods have strong effects on Filipino consumers and definitely the garments industry. According to DepCom Lim, the government will not allow this to happen. This leads to an intensified campaign. DepCom Lim says that intensified campaign will be implemented against clothing smugglers. He added that an investigation will be conducted to determine who are behind the smuggling activities.
Pursigido tayo sa ating pagganap sa ating tungkulin. Tuloy-tuloy yung ating mga operations at sinisiguro ko na sa mga used clothing, ukay-ukay, may mga susunod pa na malalaking huli.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.